Hey there, future cardholders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to apply for an American Express credit card in 2025. If you're eyeing that premium rewards or travel perks, this guide is for you. American Express, or Amex, offers some of the best cards out there, but the application process can seem intimidating. Don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can apply with confidence. First things first, check your eligibility. Amex cards typically require a good to excellent credit score, usually above 700, and you might need to be at least 18 years old with a steady income. Head over to the Amex website and use their pre-qualification tool to see if you qualify without impacting your credit score. Next, choose the right card. Amex has options like the green card for everyday spending or the platinum for luxury perks. Consider your spending habits, annual fees, and rewards programs. Think travel points or cash back. Once you've picked one, gather your documents. You'll need your social security number, proof of income like pay stubs or tax returns, and basic personal info. Now, let's apply. Go to the Amex website or use their mobile app. Fill out the online form with your details, including your address, employment info, and the card you want. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delays. After submitting, you'll get a decision quickly, often within minutes for instant approvals, or up to a week for more thorough reviews. A few tips to keep in mind. Be honest on your application to build a good relationship with Amex, and remember that approval isn't guaranteed, so have a backup plan. Also, if you're approved, activate your card right away and start enjoying the benefits. There you have it. Applying for an American Express credit card in 2025 is straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.